We are back, and Aiden is here helping me today. And what we are going to make is bacon.
It smells good over here.
Because you smelled the bacon already.
Bacon.
Bacon wrapped stuffed chicken breasts. So in the chicken breasts is going to be
Cheese.
And artichoke hearts.
What's an artichoke?
Artichoke heart.
So it's an actual heart with an artichoke mixed up?
No. So the artichoke heart is the inside of an artichoke. Do you remember that an artichoke is that green plant? It's the vegetable that looks like a bulb and it has leaves. And I like to eat them with the breadcrumbs inside, and I pull off a leaf and eat the breadcrumb off. So that's what we're going to do today. So Aiden is going to start off by making our cheese filling. So we have 2 ounces of cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
We have half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now eating the cheese. I'm going to chop up half a cup of the artichoke hearts and hand it over to him. And we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there and mix it together.
Mama, did I like on those?
Yes, you ate the whole thing last time I made it. So can you start by mixing the cheeses together?
How do I do that?
So, you dump the shredded cheese in this bowl. This is going to be your cheesy inside bowl, and then this one is going to be, we're going to make a spice mix for on top, and this will be your spice mix bowl.
Okay.
So you have that, Can you crack some black pepper in there?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is gonna taste so good with bacon.
There's not much that does not taste good with bacon. And I buy the artichoke hearts quartered in water. That way it doesn't have any other flavorings on it. And they're nice and tender already. That looks good, honey. And then we're going to put just a little bit of salt. There you go. So you can smash it up. It's easier if you do the back of the fork, and then you can mash it. See?
Oh, you know what cream cheese reminds me of?
What?
Cream cheesecake.
Oh, cheesecake. One of Mommy's favorites. Oh, and I'm going to take this to put artichoke hearts in after I chop them up. Perfect.
This is the hardest way to do it.
You think so? What do you think would be an easier way to do it?
Just mash it up with with the mashing thingy.
You think it would be easier to use?
Oh my god! Actually, no, that is a terrible. Oh my god! What is happening?
Do you need some help?
Yes.
All right, give me one.
I do need help.
And I will help you.
Oh my god! This is just so hard.
All right. All right.
Oh my god! It actually smells really, really good.
Yeah, cheese does smell good. All right. So here is the artichoke hearts.
You know what they look like to me?
What?
Mac and cheese with liquid on it.
Liquid on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
really much. And I have no idea what they smell like.
So before you start this, what you'll want to do is leave your cream cheese out for a couple of hours so that it comes to room temperature and it's easier to smash up. So you are going to put the spice mix together now. So we're going to do a tablespoon of brown sugar.
I want to eat the brown sugar.
The little half a teaspoon you're going to do of all the other spices I put over here.
Okay, where do I put this big giant spoon?
You can put it down on the counter.
Okay.
Alright, So just put the little spoon, put half a teaspoon of each of those spices in there. So what you want to do is you want to make a little pocket for the filling, so that way it's inside. And I have a cookie sheet over here with tin foil on it that I'm going to be putting the chicken breasts on. Yes, love?
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Little pieces of grass.
So Aiden is putting dried parsley, he's putting garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika. And then
This is smoked paprika?
Yeah.
I was about to say smoked paprika.
Paprika.
That's a funny name. Oh,
That would be a funny name.
Hey, Mama, you know what this reminds me of? No, all of this. You know what
What?
that reminds me of?
What?
The time when me and you did the video on your channel where we made the little patties that had the awesome cheese inside.
Yes, the sliders. That had smoked paprika in it too.
Right, you did?
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Smoked paprika.
So when you are creating the pocket, the most important thing is to not cut through all the way because you want it to still be together.
Come on, Mama. I have one
See?
single question.
Sure.
Is that the bone?
No, there's no bones. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Great question.
Then how does when the chicken fly, he doesn't lose his wings
So,
and his body parts?
so the chicken, when chicken was alive, the chicken had bones and it had skin.
Okay.
But then, after the chicken died for us to eat it, they then took the skin off, butchers took the skin off and took the bones out
Okay.
so that we could purchase it in this way.
Okay. I was like, what? How are they going to be able to fly when all their body parts are going to fall off? What's the next thing for me to do?
So I need you to put 1 teaspoon of salt in there.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it in your hand. Whoop. And
It feels like nothing.
then that's 1 teaspoon. And then what I want you to do is take one of those spoons and mix it together.
Okay.
And then what I have here, I don't think I showed it to you in the beginning, is a cooking.
Bacon.
Yeah, that's bacon. But this is a cutting board that's good for raw meat. So it's easy for me to differentiate them because I have just this one for raw meat and then all my other ones are wooden. So it's easy for me to tell the difference. What we're going to do is we're going to basically just divide the mix into 4. This is the stuffing.
Okay, now this is just getting weird.
Well, hold the bowl, silly. Aiden's stirring the bowl and the bowl's going around in circles. So we're going to divide this into 4 and we're going to put 1/4 of it into the middle.
Mommy, this is just
chicken.
Mommy, this is just a hilarious video.
That's because you're hilarious.
And you were also laughing when I said, why, do the chickens lose their body parts?
That was funny. That's in there and I'm going to cover it up. And then it typically takes 2 bacon strips to get around the chicken. If you have bigger chicken breasts, it might take 3. So what I did is I have 10 strips here. So if there's a couple of the bigger ones that need 3, I have it. It looks like this one does need 3. Alright. So, you can see that this is completely wrapped up in bacon, and I'm going to put that down neatly on the cookie sheet.
That looks like normal chicken.
The bacon looks like the chicken skin, you think?
Yeah. I want to take a bite out of it.
Ew, not right now. Right now would be gross.
Oh, actually, you know what? That actually looks gross.
Well, because it's raw meat.
I don't want to eat raw meat.
Okay.
How does this look?
That looks perfect.
I can't even see the redness.
Okay. So I'm gonna go
Wait.
hands afterwards, so that way you don't get any germs or bacteria anywhere else.
You make a good point.
Thank you. You're gonna take it and you're just gonna sprinkle it over the top.
Oh my god, that smells and looks so delicious. Nah, nah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. This one's just getting covered. Covered! 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 Cover, cover, cover! Cover, cover, cover! Cover, cover, cover! Cover, 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 cover! Cover, cover, cover!
Alright. Good job. Use all of it. So get it all over them. We have the oven preheated to 375 degrees, and we are going to put these in the oven for 40 minutes to let them bake. And then what we're going to do, because what I hate is when you wrap something in bacon and you put it in the oven and then the top is all crispy, then the bottom is soggy. I hate that. So after it comes out of the oven, then we're going to put them in a pan and cook the bottoms for about 3 to 5 minutes, so that way the bottoms get crisp too. And then we will let the chicken rest before we cut it. So that is the plan. Do not lick your fingers.
It looks like,
I know.
You know what it actually reminds me of?
What?
Cheetos with some spices on it.
Yeah,
on my
but it
fingers.
will not taste like Cheetos with spices on it. Do not lick it. So we're gonna go put those in the oven and then we'll be back. So we took the chicken breast out of the oven, and now, like I mentioned, we're going to cook the bottom for about 3 to 5 minutes so that can crisp up. And then we will let it rest for about 10 minutes. We're back and we're going to try it. Some of us can't wait to try it. Let's see what you think.
So good. Let's try that one. Let's try that one.
I'll cut it up for you for dinner. You want more?
Good.
So we hope you all enjoy the video. Please let us know if you try to make it and what you think. Have a great day.
I want another one.
Bye.